Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how to protect your workbook and worksheet. This is very important for work with confidential data. First of all, open the Microsoft Excel workbook. Go to the File, Info, Protect Workbook, enter it with password. First enter the password, then confirm the password. Now your workbook has secured. Then save and close. Now open that Excel sheet again. Now you can see you can't open the workbook without correct password. Then we will see how to secure your Excel worksheets. Again, next open the Excel workbook. Then create a new sheet. Now I need to protect sheet 2. Again go to the File, Info, Protect Workbook, Protect Current Sheet. Then enter the password and confirm the password. Now sheet 2 is secure. In sheet 1 you can edit or enter the data anything, but in sheet 2 you can't do anything. If you want to unlock the sheet, go to the sheet 2 tab, right click, go to the unprotect sheet, then enter the password and open. Now you can do anything as you wish. Today our lesson is over. See you next chapter. Bye.